lips are on fire, but I look good. I'm doing this for the greater good of society. Alright. Hey guys, Colleen here. Welcome back to my channel. And yes, you are correct. I am going to torture myself for the sake of YouTube and you guys out there who are looking for lip swatches of the ever so coveted Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lip kit. I did cop this when it relaunched because this launched Black Friday and your girl clearly was not quick enough to cop it, so she did cop it second time around. It does come with 10 liquid lipsticks. I got the medium to deep kit. There is a light to medium kit, but I thought the medium to deep would be more up my alley in terms of more wearable liquid lipsticks, and plus I have quite a few of the liquid lipsticks in the light to medium kit, so that was a pass for me. But this one boasts of 10 colors, 8 of which are like brand new to Anastasia Beverly Hills, so you know your girl had to cop it. There was like only one repeat for me, which was the shade Ashton, but other than that I did not have any of these colors at all. This retails for $60 US, but the value of this, guys, is $200 US, and honestly speaking that is a steal of a deal. Like, if you're interested in, you know, trying out the formula of the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks, I must say it is a little drying, but it's a comfortable dry. But if you do have like extremely dry chapped lips, I suggest you exfoliate and moisturize your lips before you put these on, because they could be really drying. Like right now my lips are on fire, and that's because I swatched all 10 shades on my lips, as you'll see in this video. So yeah, I need to, like, you know, get a lip transplant because my lips are on fire. But it's the same creamy consistency that I'm accustomed to. These are very long wearing. The most you might experience is a little wearing on the inside. You might get a little bottle lip, but that is with most liquid lipsticks in any event. But the quality and the formula of these is really outstanding. I think next to Kat Von D, these are my fave formula, and I have like 10 other colors. I hope they do come out with like other shade color story lip kits, like a red color story and a vampy color story and a pink color story, and even a crazy one, because I know they have some like off the wall colors, you know. But this is such a really good deal. I highly recommend this to anyone, and especially for us deeper skin girls who finding the perfect nude is always a problem. And you know Colleen loves her nudes. Wait, did I just say that on the internet? Colleen loves her nude lippies, and this is like a perfect way to like build your collection of getting the perfect nude. So enough rambling, let me get on to the lip swatches. I hope you liked that video. I hope it was very helpful for those who, you know, are searching for the perfect nude. So even if you don't want to get the entire kit, I'm only hoping, fingers crossed, that she brings out the individual shades for us to get. The individuals do retail for 20 US, so that's why I said getting the entire kit of 10 liquid lipsticks for $60 is such a great deal, because it's like $200 plus you get like a really nice carrying case. Like, look at how pretty they look. Like, I am not throwing this box away, and I don't usually, like, as much as I love packaging, I don't really keep packaging all that much, but I have to keep it in this. They are so gorgeous, like, but yeah. So yeah, so that's basically it. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment in comment section below, subscribe if you haven't already, and until the next time, bye.